And the next is the MARPOL annexes that focusing on air pollution. Air pollution aims to reduce harmful and air emission from ships. This involves controlling the sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, particulate matter, and volatile organic compound. The ship must comply with sulfur limits and emission control areas, and globally often requiring the use of low sulfur fuels or the other installation of emission control system like scrubbers. Nitrogen oxide emission controls are also mandatory, often achieved through engine optimization or selective catalytic reduction system. The ship must maintain an accurate record of fuel consumption, emission, and maintenance of emission control system. Regular inspection and reporting requirements ensure the compliance with the regulation, and the overarching goal is to mitigate the impact of ship emission on air quality and the human health. In summary, MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6 represent a multifaceted approach to maritime environmental protection. Each annex establishes specific requirements for maintaining different types of pollution, sewage, garbage, and air emission, emphasizing responsible waste management, operational procedures, equipment, and standards are meticulous record keeping. Compliances with this regulation is essential not only for safeguarding the marine environment but also for ensuring the legal and ethical operation of ships. Within the international maritime community, non-compliance can result in significant penalties and reputational damage. Hi everyone, I'm Arshunda, third year base marine engineering from Timsat Colleges.